Introduce highlight features and quick overview of AIPER Smart Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner with powerful dual motors. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include 2 scrubbing brushes, one on the front and one on the back. Powerful dual motor will provide excellent grip to the pool surface, which allows the cleaner to thoroughly and efficiently clean debris, like sand, leaves, and tough dirt that is stuck on the surface. Cleans the floors, walls, and water line with ease. The automatic robotic pool cleaner was designed with the latest technology to ensure maximum cleaning efficiency and with quiet operation. The AIPER 1200 is equipped with a tangle-free cord that prevents the tangling of the cord as the cleaner is moving in the pool. Special floats placed near the bottom of the cord helps the cord from getting tangled up like other robotic cleaners. This allows the cleaner to move efficiently and easily around the swimming pool. Ideal for above/in-ground swimming pools up to 50 feet in length, this cleaner will leave your pool sparkling clean. This powerful robotic pool cleaner is programmed to climb the walls of the pool and clean up to the waterline. The anti-rollover technology also prevents the cleaner from falling and turning upside down on the bottom of the pool. With superior filtering capabilities, dirt and debris can't hide from this powerful robotic pool cleaner. The top-loading debris chamber allows for quick and easy removal of dirt and debris. Ditch the extra booster pump and cleaner hoses. Setup is very simple and easy. There are 3 easy-to-use settings which will run the cleaner for 1, 2, and 3 hours depending on the setting you choose. The cleaner will thoroughly clean the floor, walls, and water line without any supervision, and it operates independently from your pool's filtration system, saving you both energy and pool equipment wear and tear. The built-in 2 large top-loading fine mesh filter baskets capture and trap dirt, fine debris, and heavy debris for the optimal cleaning of your swimming pool. Take the hassle out of pool cleaning with this advanced robotic pool cleaner. Backed by a 2-year quality assurance warranty, get this worry-free cleaner and experience a sparkling clean pool each week. Summary: AIPER 1200 Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. Spend more time enjoying your pool and less time cleaning. The robotic pool cleaner AIPER 1200 is a new type of highly efficient and energy-saving swimming pool cleaning robot. Through its advanced computer-controlled program, it can clean the pool walls and bottom automatically. At the same time, it filters the pool water and gets rid of suspended particles without replacing the pool water. If you do not understand, not sure, or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.